Oh man, they over there by the door. Come on, y'all.
Remember what we were saying about that thing we saw with the... Oh!
Alrighty, YouTube. So, oh, thank you. Oh, you turn to the page and everything? Alright, man, so we out here with our big birds. Maybe I should do this a little different so y'all can see. Follow them around. Or is this a good view? What you think, babe?
You want me to record?
Kind of wanted you to talk about them with me.
I can put my 2 cents in behind the camera.
Alright. Let's follow.
We might get these niggas.
Alright, man, so this is the 3rd video I'm making. And what I did with these emu videos, I asked the professionals. So I went on Facebook and told them, the emu group people, to give me facts about them. And so...
Why would you do that?
So, this last video is gonna be like more fun facts, kinda. I did the more solidified, actual known facts for the first 2 videos, and now these are just things that people told me. So, on the first one,
What? Don't he take back the quote
I
unquote?
don't take shit back. These people don't be professionals. Alright, man. Oh man. So, is this Rico? Yeah. Right.
Yeah, don't play with him.
Rico just took a shit. What up, boy?
A fat one.
Oh, Schmidt don't like me. Ooh, that shit stink. Yo, first fact, emus have nasty shit. And like, you should never keep emu in the house. Ever. It's just not a good idea. They stayed in our house and ooh, that shit was nasty. You got Rico over here. Ooh, that's a big old bird right there, boy. Really can't tell the difference when it rains, cause like, yeah, he got the afro, that's Schmidt, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but it's fluffed down. What's up, boy?
No, it's not. It's still, you could, I'm finna show you. You can, he might run because he don't like that. I'm just walking up on him. But he definitely got a fro. And then Rico Suave's shit is pushed back.
Alright, man, so first fact, let's see if I get him to run. Come on, y'all. Oh, yeah, we running.
I'm finna bust my shit. They hit a corner.
I guess I'm the only one running. But emu are really, really good sprinters. And so, like, if you were chasing an emu, it would just take the hell off on you. You wouldn't really be able to catch it. But the best thing to do if they get out is just try to keep up with them. And eventually, hopefully, they'll get tired. Probably not. Next fact. Emu peck at literally everything. So, any little thing you have, if you don't want them to eat at it, peck at it, shouldn't have nothing out with them. Just common sense. Woo-wee.
Who's that?
This is Rico.
Okay.
The next fact we have about these guys is oh boy, you big. Emu are said to be bulletproof. So there was a big war on emu and we're gonna do a whole video about that. But they said it took like, I think 10 or 100 bullets to kill an emu, something like that. And that's crazy. I'm not sure how true that is. We got to do research, but emus are bulletproof. That's a fact. Oh, that's nasty.
Their hair stick out like that when they poop.
That's another fact. Whenever they boo-boo, their hair stick up like this.
Not all the way up like that.
Probably like this.
Yeah.
What's up, dude? He's trying to get my string on my notebook. Another good fact is emus all have their own personality. Most of the time, Stanley likes being rubbed, whereas those two don't. But they also do different things. Stanley does this goofy thing where he jumps and puts his neck back, and they don't. So different things like that. Emu all have their own personality, and some of them might like you and some of them might not.
I think they still warming up to us, so.
Mm-hmm. They definitely gonna like us.
Look, he's following Stanley.
Another fact is, as you can see, they're soaking wet. Like, they don't ever use shelters. Typically, they'll just sit out in the rain. I've seen people, they take pictures of them. They're sitting out in the snow. It's pretty cool. They're very, very tough and hardy. So, oh yeah. He's soaked right now.
And if you can't tell right now, it's raining.
Yeah, it's raining out here.
And he got me in the rain. No umbrella.
All right, man. Another fact. Oh, the turkey are trying to get over here, though. Oh, no, they're fighting now. Another fact is, emus get zoomies. Kind of like the dogs, where they just start running and running and running and running. It's really, really cool.